Okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So I've got a nice bowl of kale. I've given it a wash and chopped it, kind of shredded it. This kale particularly has got quite big stalks on it, so I've cut it quite small. One large onion, I'm using red sliced. Some green onions, chopped, or spring onions, whatever you call those. Half a cup of soy sauce. I'm using a light soy sauce. You could be using dark if you want. Ginger. Now I've got a nice fresh ginger there, quite a lot of this and quite a lot of chopped garlic. We're going to start this off with some oil. That's about it. Let's get to the cooker. Okay, so we're going to need a pot or a pan. I've got my regular pan here. I've got some oil in here. I'm using sunflower oil. You could be using any oil that you want. We're going to drop in our onion. We're going to drop in our chopped garlic. And there's a lot of chopped garlic and chopped ginger going on here. And the ginger. I've cut that in nice kind of sticks like that. Okay, medium to or above medium heat, 3 minutes, keep it moving. So you can see that our onions have changed colour. They're starting to wilt and cook nicely. Got some lovely flavours there. Okay, now we're going to add a little bit of salt. Don't add too much salt because we're going to add soy as well, which is quite salty. Some black pepper. And then what we're going to do is we're going to drop our kale in, give it a little mix, get a lid on and leave it for about 4 to 5 minutes. Here she goes. Try and give it a little mix now. The lid that we put on is going to steam it and it will reduce down in size. See you in 4 or 5 minutes. Okay, let's jump in and take a look. Get some steam out of there. And that's wilted down really nicely. Wonderful. Okay, we're going to add a little touch of water, not too much. And our soy. And with the lid off now, we're going to cook this for about 3 more minutes, stirring all the time. Fantastic. Off goes the heat. In go the green onions. One more mix. I'll see you at the table. Fantastic. This is really, really good. Wonderful. And that's it. Very, very easy, but delicious. What I like to do is just finish this off with some sesame seeds. And there you go. You've got a really easy, but really tasty garlic ginger kale. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.